How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. So in today's video I will talk about my Shure SM7B. So this is something interesting that happened. So basically I sent this microphone to Shure directly to be confirmed if it's a genuine or not. Probably many people don't know that you can do that. So if you have doubts, if you bought your product from Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and let's say from unknown, let's say shops, if you have doubts that the product you buy it's not genuine, actually you can send the product to Shure. This is what I did. I'm gonna put the video that I did a couple of days ago with the unboxing of the microphone as well. Yeah, because I live in UK, we have a Shure directly here, and I sent my microphone with the box, everything. The postage was like £11. This includes like a signature, so also if the microphone is lost due to the way or something, it's covered as well. But £11 for the postage, that's okay. The microphone is quite heavy as well. You know, the Shure SM7B is quite heavy. It's like 700 grams, 800 grams. And then when you add the packaging, the box, everything, so it adds up. But yeah, they received the microphone. I received an email next day. And I had to wait like 3 to 4 weeks just to be checked. Sometimes this is faster, but for some reason I wait for 3 weeks. But yeah, they're professionals. They checked everything. Also, after the microphone has been checked, I received an email that they're gonna send my microphone next day. You have a 1 hour window to notify you when the microphone will be delivered to your address. And I receive a letter that confirms that this is a genuine microphone. But if you want to watch the full video, make sure you watch it. It's going to be in the descriptions down below. But yeah, so I didn't knew that when you buy products from eBay or Facebook Marketplace or Gumtree or other sites, basically your warranty doesn't comply. Your warranty is not on. Basically, if you buy this microphone, which I did from Facebook Marketplace, even if you register it, you don't have a warranty. The warranty is not on because you don't have a proof of purchase. This is what Shure told me, and that's why I think you should buy with confidence. Don't do the mistake that I did. Personally, we always want cheap and good price deals, but so yeah, it was a very good bargain for me, and luckily this microphone is genuine, so I paid £220. That's £110 less than the retail price, which actually now the price is even up. This microphone currently is selling for £349 here in UK. That's quite a lot. 1 year ago was £333, but now it's up, so it's all the prices going up. But yeah, make sure you don't buy products from a Facebook Marketplace, especially expensive products. If you do, ask for receipt, ask for like purchase details, everything, just to make sure, just to give you at least confidence that this product is genuine, because you don't want to end up buying something in a very good price, cheap, and in the end it's fake, it's not genuine, and you will be disappointed and you'll spend a lot of money more. So eBay is not covered. So I don't know if you knew, but eBay is not covered. So if you buy Shure products from eBay, your warranty is not covered. So this is something that I knew a couple days ago from Shure. So yeah, pretty happy with my microphone, Shure SM7B. One tip: if you buy products from everywhere, anywhere, doesn't matter where, make sure you ask for receipt or at least some purchase details. There you have it, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.